Jamie, you've likely used Gmail, but have you used Google Calendar?
Yes, I use some of the basic features like scheduling meetings, but I'm sure there's some advanced functionality I haven't touched.
It is a really cool application, and because it's cloud-based, it's easy to keep synced up with all of the different roles that you have.
Perfect.
I could get to it from the app launcher here in the right corner, but let me show you how to get to it from Gmail. Now we're here in Gmail, and I can come over to the right-hand side and click on my calendar, and it'll show up in a sidebar. This is nice because I can keep on top of what's coming up while I'm working in Gmail, but let's take a look at it in its own tab. Jamie, you'll learn I'm a big fan of checking out the settings. Let's take a look there to see how we can customize our view. If Google has added new features, we'd see a blue dot here beside the cog. I'll click on that, and we'll go directly to Settings. In the Settings area, I can scroll down through this area, or I can use my left nav menu. My company, Piper's Pet Palooza, has a team in the UK, so I want to add that time zone so I'm constantly seeing their time next to my time. I'll click on Display Secondary Time Zone. Now I'm going to find the United Kingdom time, select it, and then I will select to label it so I know exactly what I'm looking at.
This is a really helpful feature. I work with a team in California, which is a 3-hour time difference for me, and this makes it easy for me to see the time difference at a glance.
Absolutely.